In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Miro for task management. Now, all we need to do is go over to Miroverse and we will be searching for task management templates. So just search up task management, and once you've searched, you will find a bunch of task management templates right here. But for me, I'll be using this personal task management template, which is quite simple because all you need to do is once you've opened up the personal task management, it will automatically save it to your board. Now here you will see the readings right here, and for example, you have the obstacles, you can put the backlog over here, and what tasks you are doing and what tasks are already done, and the completed work. So here you will see it is pretty much a simple task management template, and that's how you use Miro for task management. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.